Hello, my friend. Now I'm in our factory to show you more the information for this chocolate processing. And this is the chocolate tempering machine. So it means the function can adjust this chocolate butter, this temperature. Now I can show you more the information for this processing machine. Firstly, this one is that there is that control system is that PLC. This control system you can set each item on the PLC system, and also there is that temperature control system. Also there is that hot water processing. It also together with one is that cold water processing machine. You can see there is that 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that there is that for the different temperature control system. So first one is that high temperature, and this layer and this layer is that for the low temperature controller part, and this one is that high temperature control part. For this temperature, there is that 10 for this layer. I can show you that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for this chocolate, it can go through from this bottom go through this one. This the chocolate butter from here goes through this the 10 layers, so it can get your temperature adjust the wheel for your final this chocolate butter. So this is all this is that set for this one is that we usually can set this the PLC or the cement for this part. This is me part for this the chocolate butter. That's all.